Welcome to the course. In this lecture, I am going to explain about web analytics. User data is the primary reason why we use analytics, assuming that you have a website, web portals, or e-commerce sites, or landing pages, blogs, and you are driving tons and tons of traffic to the various online assets. Now what you need to do at the end of the day is you need to find out how many people are coming to my website or a blog or landing page and how many people are actually spending how much time. What are the pages being viewed? How many people are contacting me? How many people are registering on my website or a blog or a landing page? You need to know the complete information so that you can actually take informed decisions based on the analytical reports and actually go on doing continuous improvement to drive more and more traffic. It is one of the important factors that why we use web analytics. The traffic is coming on your website. You need to know that how many people are just visited homepage and they go back means they quit the website. How many people have visited the internal pages? What are the most visited posts? What are the less visited internal pages of websites? How much time being spent on them? And how many people who are registering the entire user behavior need to be tracked, reported, and analyzed. If I have a website and the visitors are coming to the websites, I'm getting certain leads and those leads are becoming my customers. Conversions are happening. What I need is I need more traffic, more leads, more conversions. How this is going to happen? You need to track the analytics. You need to do continuous improvements. If you're getting 100,000 people in a month to your website, you need to find that why I am not getting 200,000 visitors. You need to take informed decisions based on the analytical information and do continuous improvement, optimize more in terms of where are the issues and concerns so that you can track them, analyze them, take informed decisions, and in this way you can do continuous improvements and drive more traffic.